Hey, you guys, what's up? All right, it's been a while since I last see you guys. I believe y'all miss me. All right, I've been busy lately, and I tried uploading video some time ago, but it went wrong, and I didn't know that all the while I was talking and I was in my mind I was recording. I didn't know that the record button wasn't on. All right, so I ended up making a whole video without recording. How fun that can be. All right. So I made a video some weeks ago about how to trade warm pattern on what do they call it on your binary.com or deriv.com, how to trade one pattern. And funny enough, the video it wasn't recorded, as in the recording wasn't on. So and it was such a smooth video. It was such a smooth video. And if you're following me on Instagram, you can go and check my post. I made a post on it that should be at least a guidance on it. All right, something almost went wrong in that video. All right, let me just narrate this to you. Okay, what happened was I had about the thousand, or about, okay, I had about $900, $800 in the account. All right, so I was trying to show you guys how to use this one pattern of trading. And normally I don't use one pattern. Like I don't when I want to trade real account. No, I always have full concentration. It's not a I don't play with my real account. All right, I don't even I don't even record when trading with real account. But even if I do record, I've determined, okay, decided to record. So what happened on that video was I I placed a trade. I placed, like, I was using 0.36, all right, because that was a tutorial. So as maybe while explaining some stuff to you guys, there's always a likelihood for the market. In fact, there is always a likelihood for the market to change. All right, for the after crypto. Sorry, am I thinking too much of crypto these days? All right. So, what happened was, why you are, explaining a particular point, the last, signal you received might have changed before you come back to the market. So, trading on real account, I explaining, is not a cool stuff to do. All right, if you get what I mean. So, I was using the lowest amount possible. That was 0.36 to trade, and we managed to move the account, by extra $5 within a couple of minutes. It was just a tutorial to show you how the one pattern works. All right. I believe I've recorded a video on it before, but I'm still going to record another video. So I traded and I showed you guys some stuff in that video that was never recorded. And at the end of the video, I decided to round up the account with 0.53 dollars. All right, at that time it was about 864.50 dollars. All right, so I decided to round up the account with 0.50. All right, so I haven't gone back, try to explain something to you guys and then going back to place the trade. And then I did not know that, okay, what I put was $53, not 0.50. That the 0 point wasn't there in the account. So I placed the trade, and shockingly it was $53, not 0.53. It was a tutorial video. It was lost. Well, I always say, whenever situations like that happen to you, there's no need of you trying to recover. Like, okay, you want to recover because it will become a pressure on you. All right. So, well, I personally, most times I don't normally stick to that, but because there are some times that you have to break the rule. Okay, so I attempted recovering it with $100, recovering with $53 with $100, and the $100 was gone too. Right. Okay, at this point in time, I wasn't ready for trade. I wasn't ready to place real trade, but it's just a tutorial, okay? And there was no particular signal I was working with at the moment because it was not a time to trade, okay? Okay. So I moved from 100 to 200. It went off, it went blank. So at this point in time, what was left on the account was 500. I've used 50, it lost, 100, it's lost, 200 is lost, and then at this point what was left in the account was 500. And then the final one I decided to use is it three five 400. Yeah, I decided to use $400 on the dot, leaving the account with $100. And funny enough, it was going in the winning direction, which was good, but at a point whereby it's, let's say it's getting, I don't know, the market seems to act fun, so funny these days. You place a trade and it goes to your winning direction, and at the point whereby it's going to the direction you, the winning direction, at a point whereby you have like about 30 seconds left. You know, at 15 seconds you can't set the market. After 15 seconds you can't set the market. At a point whereby it was just about is it uh 30 to 15 seconds left. Okay, yeah, around 20 seconds left. The trade shut down. And at this point here, these days, I don't know why it's working like that. It will shoot down so hard and very hard that you will be imagining, oh, what really happened? Why? How come this market was already far off, in my favor? So it shut down, too much, uncontrollably. So at this moment, it was remaining just less than 15 seconds, less than 10 seconds, and it was not in my favor. All right, it has moved all the way from my favor to not in my favor. All right, it was like a curve. All right, so eventually, it won. All right, it won. It won by just one tick. Could you imagine? It won by just one tick, meaning that if I was 1 second late in placing that trade, it would have been a lost. All right, it would have totally been a loss. So what happened is the trade was won, and the account later doubled up to about, I think it's about $884. All right, which was good. Like extra $30 to $40 was added to the account. All right. Why I have to narrate these stories to you guys is, most persons they post videos like, all what I do, what I do for you guys is I teach you what I do. Like I teach you what I literally teach you what I do. I teach you my trade. I teach you my pattern trade. The ones that I could lay my hands on, I teach everything to you. I'm not one of those traders that will just come on. I'm not saying anybody is fake. Everybody, we are all doing our thing differently. All right, but I'm not one of these traders that will come up and say, okay, so now I'm placing trade from 0.1, I'm moving on to $30, and you will just be watching me placing trade, and you've been wondering, oh, how can I attain this level? And I am not teaching anything, like, they are not literally teaching anything. They are just showing you them placing their trade, and okay, I placed $1 trade. Oh, it won, and they'll be looking at the screen. You'll be looking at the screen like, okay, as if it is that screen that you're looking at that they are using to play the trade, but they are not telling the real strategy they're applying. All right, so I personally teach you the real strategy I apply on trade. I show you everything what I do. I show you, how to place the trade, how not to place. I show you some of my flaws too when I lost. So it will look like, okay, perfect, perfect, perfect. Like those traders like us are just perfect, perfect. We don't lose. Most of us we lose too much, and but when we gain, you know, in trading, most times you could be losing too much. But if as long as you're learning your lessons, but when you gain, it is going to be 1,000%. I bet you. All right, it's going to be 1,000%. If only you have learned your lessons why you lost, or maybe if you won before, you've learned your lesson why you won. Okay, so I get you. I hope you're getting what I'm saying. All right. So that's just a little story about the last video I tried making that I couldn't upload. And if you want to see the screen recording of the entire trade, you just have to go to my Instagram profile. Okay, I'm just going to send you the direct link to that profile, to that video right now. So you just follow me. Some of the things that I could not literally upload here because of YouTube striking and all of that. I'll just put it down there. All right, or I might still find a way to do it. But if you follow me on Instagram, you get the latest update. You even know the next video that I'm going to be putting up. Okay, all right. So be sure that by now, if you're not subscribed to this channel, subscribe. Okay, I have a whole lot of videos piled up a video that will be making money. All right, I believe you most of you are into cryptocurrency these days. All right, so I'm going to be showing you, giving you a lot of video back to back on cryptocurrency, on how to maneuver your way through cryptocurrency. So if you don't know how to maneuver your way through cryptocurrency, you're going to be making a whole lot of mistakes. All right, so you don't want to be making mistakes in cryptocurrency. If you make a single mistake in cryptocurrency, you can't recover your money. You lost your money. All right, you don't want to lose your money. You don't want to you know make mistakes while doing some of these transactions. So if you want to be doing some stuff like that, so just consider subscribing to this channel. All right, so thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. All right, the next video up now is about cryptocurrency. Gonna be telling you what you do to make cool cash on cryptocurrency. So let's see ya.